Bradgate started in 1997 to serve the materials handling market initially in the area of temporary construction, and then we moved on to recycling markets, the waste disposal, sand quarries, and we sort of grew a professional clientele with many blue chip companies, and now build a lot of bespoke plant for the industry. Recently engaged with Wards Recycling on a project. We've worked with them before on several smaller projects, and did a designs for the waste processing plant at Chesterfield, which we've now delivered and installed, and we look forward to working further with Wards Recycling.
Wards Recycling are always looking at continued improvement for the services that we offer, and as we look to always minimise waste to landfill and really looking at our green credentials, it was seen that we needed to install some new dedicated equipment for recycling of waste in this area. Bradgate Recycling, there's a number of reasons why we chose Bradgate Recycling. They have a great reputation for the equipment that they produce. We've used them before on other projects, and they produce conveyors for us of a really good quality. So we decided that we'd like to use them, particularly on this site as well, as they're very local to the area. We're all about buying in the UK now for equipment going forwards, and so yeah, they seem like the ideal marriage really of all the right skills that we needed to create good robust kit that's going to last us a long time and give us the results really that we're after. Bradgate did a really good job. I mean, basically we went from concept, where we designed the equipment together, and we brought together various pieces of equipment in quite a bespoke way really for dealing with construction demolition waste. And so yeah, from going from concept to design through to production through to installation, they did a really good job, and there's really good open communication between the two of us, and they're good at sharing ideas as well, because we have some experience in the recycling industry. We've got other pieces of kit around from other manufacturers, so we shared that information really to give us what we think is probably a really versatile piece of equipment now. Richard and his team produced an excellent piece of plant, all together really from the initial phase to now, and the kind of backup support as well. We think we've got something very niche that's going to really help us to maximise our recycling for our customers. So yeah, absolutely so, we're very pleased.